Hi everyone, in this ZanoList video, I will show you how you can bet privately on prediction markets using fUSD. So to get started, you're going to need to first download the Zano desktop wallet or mobile app. For this video, I will show you how to do it on desktop. So as you can see here, this is the Zano desktop app. And to download it, you can visit zano.org, and to download it, go to /downloads. As you can see here are a list of the wallets you can download, but for this, we're going to need Zano wallet here, and I'm on Windows, so I'm going to download the .exe here. So once you've downloaded the official desktop wallet, as I said earlier, this is what it looks like here. You will need to wait a few hours for the Zano blockchain to sync. So this also depends on your internet connection, but as you can see, once it is done, it will say online here. While you're waiting for the wallet to sync, you can actually create your wallet already. So just simply follow the steps in the wallet by clicking create new wallet here, and go ahead and name your wallet, set a password, confirm the wallet password, and select build file location. And it's also going to give you the seed phrase as well. Next, we're also going to need to download the Zano extension. So make sure you're on the Zano.org website, and then you can download it by clicking the Chrome store here. It works on Brave and the Chrome browser. So to set up Zano Companion, as you can see, I already have it downloaded here. When I try and click this, as you can see, it says wallet is offline. So I need to click connection settings, and it's going to prompt me to enter a wallet secret. If I open back my Zano wallet, I can go into the settings here, and I can copy this secret code here and paste that in there and click save. As you can see, my wallet is now connected with the extension. So when your wallet is synced, you can register a Zano alias. This will be a unique name for your address that anyone can easily send you funds. So as you can see, mine is at good morning here. And to get a Zano alias, you need to pay a 0.1 Zano fee to register the alias. So you can actually use a swapping service such as ZanoX or something similar to exchange, for example, USDT into Zano, and that can cover the fee to register the alias. Once you have Zano, you can also swap it into fUSD by visiting freedomdollar.com, and you can use their DEX right here on their homepage to swap Zano into fUSD instantly. So now if we head on over back to ZanoX.io, you can see the list of prediction markets right here. And now to bet on these markets, all we need to do is simply click Connect Wallet here. Just going to open Zano extension, and then I just need to sign this request right here. And once it's connected successfully, at the top right here, you can see my balance here in Zano and fUSD. So now all I need to do is simply click on a prediction market I want to bet on. For example, this one here. Let's say I want to select no. And I can either do a market order or a limit order. And I'm going to enter the amount of shares that I want to buy. Let's say 5 here. And then I can see the market order preview right here. As you can see, my potential profit is potentially just under 1 fUSD. I can either add it to bag, so I can basically order a bunch of prediction markets, or I can just simply click buy now. Then what I need to do is double check all this information here. So as you can see, I'm sending 4.73 fUSD, and this is what I am betting on. So now what I need to do is click confirm. As you can see, my order is now pending. So now if I go up here and click View Betfolio, I'm going to see all my prediction markets that I have betted on. And if I have an idea for a market, I can simply click Propose here. Say, for example, crypto. I can describe what my prediction is. Will Zano hit $100 in 2026? I can simply click Send here. And as you can see here, if I want to cancel the minting here, I can go ahead and do so like that. And that's how easy it is to bet on prediction markets completely privately. Thank you guys, and I hope you have a great day.